Hey guys, here's how to make a voice memo your iPhone ringtone. First, open the Voice Memos app, select the recording you want, and tap the three dots. Next, tap on Share. Now scroll down and click Save to Files. You can rename the file name. I'll just name mine to Ringtone. And hit Save. Now, head over to GarageBand and click any instrument. Then, tap the project view at the top left. Now, click on this icon next to Settings. Click Files, and click Browse Items from the Files app. Next, choose your ringtone that you just saved. And select it. Once you've previewed it, just drag it to the timeline. Then tap at the arrow on the top left and hit My Songs. Now just hold onto the file that just saved, click Share, and now choose Ringtone. You can rename your ringtone. I'll just name my new ringtone. And then hit Export. And once that's done, just tap on Use Sound As, and you can choose between the options here. And that's it!